First of all, thank you very much for coming in to DVFX 103, Intro to a 3D. So this is your pretty much your first class of the semester. I normally post a video lesson in prior and then share that with you guys. However, since this is the first class, I figure I give you a quick overview of the course and talk about some top of the very first topic that we are going to talk about. I'm going to do it today. Once again, I will also provide the actual lessons today as in form of video lessons as well. So you guys can always check them out later. So all of the video that will be posted will be on the course shell on the eCentennial. So if you actually go into the content section right here, right? Click on it and you should be able to see it will be slightly different from view from on your end because mine is more of a faculty access look right now, so it's slightly different, but it will be pretty much same. Okay, so let's just start by talk about myself. It's kind of funny to see myself on the picture to post it, but you can see me kind of a younger version of myself, I must say. So just want to say once again, I'm sure some of you guys have communicated with me over emails, and that we also met during the orientation day as well. But just wanted to introduce myself. My name is John Lee. I am the professor and the program coordinator for Animation 3D and DVFX programs at Centennial College. So as you can see, I've been teaching at the college for over 10 years. Well, I used to come in here during the nighttime only because at that time I was holding full-time job at the studios. So I usually used to come in during evening class and then teach you guys for a number of years. But since I guess around 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I started taking on more responsibilities as the professor, also started working as the coordinator for the program. So I have been working in the industry for over 20 years and a number of different studios. Like lead design, I worked as a lead designer at Rocket Science VFX. Also work as design director at Hatch Studio, senior designer and animator at Chorus Entertainment. A number of different places I've been working at the studios. And yeah, so now it's very great to see you guys all. So that covers my introductory to about myself. So let's just quickly dive into our course. So our course is Intro to 3D. So what happened is this is pretty much a introductory course for Maya, Autodesk Maya. I'm sure you guys, many of you probably know what Maya is. Maya is pretty much industry standard 3D software that used most commonly used by VFX studios or animation studios. Well, and it's just a lot of 3D work for films or animated TV shows or actual TV shows. Actually, a lot of 3D work is actually done by Maya. So it's the most popular software used by so many different studios. So we are actually focusing on that software for this course. And then we'll give you kind of introductory course and get you guys fit wet for getting into 3D. So this course, this particular course that we are in right now is DVFX 103, but this is called the lab class, which means I will be going over some lessons for sure. But however, this class is largely structured in a way to help your lecture class, other lecture class, which is taking place on Thursday evening at 6:30 with Philip Kisep. So he'll be coming in on Thursday evening and give you actual lectures on Maya. So he will be starting it out from the scratch and then give you guys all the introductory tools and everything that you need to know. You guys will be will be asked to start working on some uh, smaller assignments, but you'll be actually diving into bigger. So you'll get to model a number of different props and things like that. So it'll be quite fun. A lot of students actually enjoy doing modeling. So will be a perfect course for you, for everyone who actually interested in doing some modeling for using Maya and building some 3D objects. Okay. In my case, since Philip will be handling a lot of modeling portion of Maya, we'll be focusing on some other supplementary topics. One of the topics that I will be going over fairly extensively will be rigging. So what rigging is pretty much making your object movable by adding different mechanics or skeletons or joints inside of a 3D mesh, so creating some form of a deformation or motions or actions. And I will be giving you some introductory lessons on rigging. This will help you have a better understanding about the software. Also have good understanding of how character is moving, how they are actually created, so that it can be animated or it can be moved properly. Okay. Do you guys have any questions? There's something you want to ask me? I noticed that yeah, so all the lessons today will be recorded, okay? So not to worry, will be posted on eCentennial for you to take a look at it later, okay? Marina, you said you can't see the video. Can you see now? No? If you, so the live session is not going to be mandatory for everybody. We understand that some of you guys in different time zone and things like that. So we understand that everybody's situation is quite different. Okay, so I'm not going to be enforcing you guys to say that you guys need to attend, you must attend every class that's scheduled. However, having the proper interaction with your faculty and your classmates sometimes will benefit you in great ways. So I would suggest, if you can, attend as much as you can. The what is most important, especially now we are running all of the course online, is your interaction and also your communication with your professors. Okay, so I really recommend you guys, if you can, um, try to attend first or second two class of the semester of your course and see how that works. Okay, no matter what happens, every professor will be providing all the course lessons on the eCentennial, okay, either in the lecture note format or in video, okay. So not attending the online session, it's not gonna stopping you from accessing all the things that we will be talking about during the class, okay. However, once again, as I said already, I just said earlier, having a proper communication and interaction with your professor is very important. And that is one thing that I highly recommend you, because getting to know your professor is very important in a way that it also starts networking as well with them. So a lot of times, professors, all of them, most of them are actually working in the industry right now, which means they are all working at the studio as a senior level artist or the CG or VFX supervisor or directors, right? So if they see you have a great potential, you know, they will help you getting a job, or even some professor, they love to bring their students to their studio, and then once you guys complete the program, right? So this will give you a good opportunity and get you guys going in terms of job searching. I know that this is kind of far away. You guys are starting it out. You guys probably not even thinking about getting a job at this point. But then again, it's better that having building that relationship is fairly important, right? So I really recommend you guys try to attend online sessions as much as possible. Okay. Did that answer your question, Jesus? All right. Sounds great to me.